Oh man, it's going to be like food heaven.
This is one of my favorite festivals in Charlotte. I love barbecue. I feel like it's a southern staple that you have to try, and it's a great way to kind of support local businesses here in Charlotte.
All the best barbecue spots in one go. Sign me up. No 2.5 hour line at 10 in the morning. Come in, easy going, walk around, good food.
You're never going to go anywhere else near here that you're going to have this talent that's here. The pastrami brisket is by far some of the best bite that I've ever had.
Everything's been great.
To keep getting invited back and feed the people of Charlotte, man. Raise a little money for community means a lot.
Beautiful, sunny, fresh oysters, great barbecue, perfect vibe. I mean, we're gonna be here as long as they keep inviting us, and we love to be a part of it.
This festival is absolutely incredible. You know, Lewis Donald bringing the entire Carolinas together through the power of food. It's an honor to be a part of it, help him out, and just all the community, everything. It's amazing.
The brisket, the wings, everything, ribs, it's all the top notch.
Phenomenal.
Good.
Very good.
Everybody showed up. Everyone's got killer plates out here. There's a ton of people, a great line. I mean, you couldn't have asked for a better place to be right now.
Barbecue and beers, that's the way to go today.
Oh, it's always awesome to do something out in the community, to get out of the kitchen a little bit, see what everybody else is doing, and serve out some good food.
But it's honestly all about how much heart, how much dedication you put into it. That's barbecue.
I think it's vibing, man. It's vibing pretty good. I mean, we got a saxophone up there. I love the saxophone, so it's great weather, good food, so it's a lot of fun to be out here.
Get your tickets for next year.